Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. I hope you are all well. Today, I will show you, or I will uh, present in front of you a very important tutorial for those who are finding or searching the particular way to mirror their screen with the mobile to the laptop or PC. I mean, um, how to mirror Android device with Windows using SCRCPY 2.0 tutorial control and mirror Android phone from PC. I mean, if you follow my tutorial, you are able to make a contact, make a lag-free communication with your mobile and laptop or PC without any kind of lagging. I mean screen mirroring with the laptop and PC through mobile. How to mirror your screen with the Android device with the PC or Windows or laptop as well. So let's check it out. Dear viewers, you are watching the channel of Lutfor Rahman, the digital expert. At first, you have to open your mobile, and now you have to open your mobile, and you have to go to the settings. Dear viewers, you are watching that I am using my screen mirroring with this with by following the same technique that I am presenting in front of you. I have seen that there is no lagging. So let's come back to the tutorial and go to the settings. After going to the settings, you have to go to the about phone. You have to go to the about phone and then software information. This is a Samsung phone. uh, Software information. Then you have to find out the build number. This is the build number. You can see that BUILD build number, and now you have to tap. You have to tap 7 times into this build number. 7 times. Mind, remember it. 7 times. I need not to tap 7 times because I have enabled this debugging option, so it is not mandatory for me, but you have to tap 7 times into this build number. After tapping 7 times to the build number, you have to go back again. Then you will find out that you will found that there is a developer option of uh, under the about phone. Under the about phone, you can see that there is a developer option. Then click to the developer option. Then now you have to find out the USB debugging. Yes, this is the USB debugging, and now it is turned on. But you have to turn, but you have notified that you have noticed that your USB debugging will be turned off, but you have to turn on. You have to turn on USB debugging. So after USB debugging, your the phone system is okay now. Your phone system now is okay to mirror with the Windows. Your phone is now ready. but you have to do uh, but remember that you have to do it plugging the cable with the plugging the cable with the mobile to your PC. USB cable, I mean USB cable. Please make sure that you have to plug in a USB cable, phone cable, to the PC. So now we will go to the window laptop screen. Now you have to open the Chrome browser or any kind of browser uh, you are like you like any kind of browser, but I prefer to browse the Chrome browser now. So you have to uh, download a file that is named SCRCPY 2.0. Now you have to uh, write down on the uh, address bar uh, SCRCPY download for PC, download PC. Yes. Now there is plenty of link here, but you have to click number one first. GitHub website. You have to enter the GitHub website. Now click to the GitHub website. Now you can see that there is a code file here, but you have to scroll down to the page, and now find out your get up the app. Yes, this is the get up the app. Now you have to choose whether your system is Linux, Windows, or Mac. Now it is time to click the it is time for me to click Windows, as I used Windows. So I now click to the Windows, and you can see install how to install. Now you can see there is two file here. One is 64-bit and the other is 32-bit. Now um, you are you have the option to whether you download 64 or 32 according to your system requirement as well. So my system is 64-bit. Now I will click to the 64-bit. Now it's time for downloading my file. Yes, start download, and the file is downloading. Now now you have to extract it. You have to extract it, but I have extract earlier, so I will go to the now the SCRICP SCRCPY Win64 version 2.0. Now click, and then you have to click at first SCRCPY console. You have to click for the first time. Before clicking this, make sure that your USB cable to the phone with the phone are properly connected or not. Make sure before clicking this, you have to make sure that your USB cable is properly connected with the phone and to the laptop or PC. Then you have to click for the first time, and when you click this, there is a confirmation button here, and you have to that. Yes, you can see that the my mirroring has been started, and you can see that super fast screen mirroring experience I have gathered by using this SCRCPY. You can see that super fast. Now I will browse anywhere, any kind of screen here. super fast. Now I will open a Facebook or others. Facebook super fast. Super fast, very super fast. Yes, uh, I like this software. Actually, I'm sure that you will also like this procedure, yeah, like this tutorial, and like this also SCR SCRCPY 2.0 version, because it is super fast. You can play mobile game. You can uh, watch a movie, uh, whatever you like. But I am sure that your experience will be more better than you have used earlier, than you have. And you will get a very amazing experience after using this SCRCPY 2.0 version, because it is super fast and without any kinds of lagging free. So I'm sure that you will enjoy my video, and obviously you will like my video, you will like my tutorial, because it is very useful for me, for those who are finding their proper way to make proper communication, proper contact with the mobile or PC using screen mirroring techniques. So uh, at last I will tell you that this method is quite super fast and super easy, and also 100% lag free. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and also press the bell icon for regular updates. So goodbye, stay tuned with me. Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more information and regular update. Please stay tuned with me, www.lutfor11.com. Thanks.